Tanya's been doing this longer than me, but Tanya, I do feel confident in the fact that, because I know the name. I think we've had Grady Good a birthday and a picture every year since he's been born. Am I right about that?
I'm sure we have.
I think so. And now Grady is the big number 4. Kiddo, we love to see your smiling face each and every year, and a happy birthday to you and Parsons.
Aniston Finley turning 9 years old this year. Aniston is in Girard.
Yeah, check out the maroon and gold right there.
Class
love
of
that.
2031.
Oh
Nice.
my gosh. Is that?
That's what her shirt says.
Is it
Sure,
really
that's
what
right.
it says?
Yeah, class of 2031. That's impressive.
Oh my gosh. That. Bless you, Aniston. You're making me feel like I'm reflecting upon my own age and what year I graduated. That is something else. That's a great picture, though. Aiden Wells. Back to Parsons. So we've got 2 Parsons birthdays right here off the block, and I'll tell you what, I like Aiden's picture. You know why, Tanya? Because that thing was taken when the weather was warm, and that makes me feel better right there. Aiden, a very happy 9th birthday to you, my man.
All right. And Leonidas Wary turning 9 years
How
old
cool
this
is
year
that?
in Uniontown. That is a pretty sharp looking picture. Neat background. Number 1.
That is awesome. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but that's super cool right there. I love that. Trace Garrett turning 11, and Trace, he goes to school in Liberal, but obviously he's on vacay right now. And look at that. Hey Trace, next time you go fishing, my man, you give your boy a holla, and we'll come out with a fish about that size. That is perfect. Happy birthday, dude.
All right, Mackenzie Wood turning 13 years old this year. Mackenzie is in Girard.
These pictures we got today are tremendous. Is that a turkey leg?
Looks like it.
Hey, control room, will somebody
Okay, so
give me
she's got the Minnie Mouse ears, the Mickey Mouse shirt. Makes me think that she's down
Well,
there
no.
as
So here, Mackenzie, here's the thing. My best friend by the name of Alan, wherever he goes, he has a turkey leg in his mouth. And whenever I see somebody else eating a turkey leg, I send him a picture of it. And so, Mackenzie, if it's okay with you, I'm going to take that picture and send it to my best friend. And Uncle Alan is going to laugh.
Wait a minute, isn't Alan the one that's down in Florida anyway? No?
Now in Connecticut, because the Golf
Okay.
Channel moved. Relocate.
Because he could have tried that very
But
same
no,
turkey leg.
him in Orlando and Mackenzie with the ears, it's perfect. Mackenzie, that is an awesome picture. Absolutely love that.
She's
and
dying
thank-
at home right now because she's
Yeah,
like, Mom,
that-
you sit in the picture with my mouth all the way open.
Okay, Mackenzie, I'm gonna steal your picture and send it to Uncle Alan. Lila, because Lila Omi has a birthday, and she is turning 14 years old. And Miss Lila, a very happy birthday to you. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I want you to have a marvelous weekend as she celebrates in McCune.
I've always loved that name, Lila. So pretty. Nicholas Lewis. Birthday love coming from Mom and Dad. 14 years old this year in Parsons.
He's got good follow through. I can tell when somebody holds a ball like that, when you get the seams lined up. Nick's a shooter. I'm already calling it. Andrew Coberly, hanging on to the teenage years. Got one left in him as he celebrates number 19. Andrew, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus.
But that was a senior pick. Nice one there.
How cool is this name spelled right here?
Yeah. Angela Fall.
I love that.
Pretty name. 30 years old. Birthday love coming from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie in Joplin. Her birthday
Now-
was actually on Thanksgiving. Celebrating it today.
And also turning 30, we've got one, Michelle Gleeson. And Michelle, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from the Fort Scott. Michelle's in Webb City, but I'm going to guess she has Fort Scott connections. But you got, Michelle, you got love from the Fort Scott and the Webb City families. So, like, Michelle's just loved throughout the 4 states, which is pretty cool.
All right. And we
No,
got-
I like, you know what, Michelle? You know what I'm gonna do? Michelle, I got love coming to you as well from Northeast Oklahoma and Northwest Arkansas. How about that? I just capped it off.
All right. Crystal Hawkins turning 36 years old this year. Crystal, you've got birthday love coming from your husband Terry and your girls Trinity in Kinsley.
It almost looks like Crystal got photo bombed unintentionally by the little one. It's great. It's great. That's tremendous. Michelle Busquete is turning 51, a marvelous picture. And anybody who spends time and works at a YMCA absolutely has my utmost admiration. And that's exactly what Michelle does, putting forth her effort to take care of kids and make sure that they have a positive outlet in their life. Happy birthday, Miss Michelle.
And John Lutz Jr. turning 54 years old. Celebrated his birthday actually on Wednesday. Hope it was great for you, John.
Up to the Fort Scott area, Joyce Todd, marvelous family picture right there. 80 years old? No, there is no way. I do not see anybody that even looks close to 80 in that picture. Happy birthday, Miss Joyce.
All right, and we've got Charles Block celebrating
Yeah.
birthday number 85 in Reeds, Missouri. Says here he was born on Thanksgiving Day back in 1936.
Mr. Block, long time no see. I miss seeing you, sir, and I hope, post-pandemic that I run into you again. Carolyn Eddington has a birthday. Miss Carolyn is in Columbus. She was celebrating yesterday, but we carry it all the way through the weekend. Happy birthday, Carolyn.
All right, Cliff and Betty Jo Anthon are celebrating 61 years together. Congratulations to them in Neosho.
What a marvelous picture that is right
Nice little
there.
throwback.
Isn't that cool? I love that. That's cool. Liberty Pryor, she is celebrating her 9th birthday. A very happy birthday to Mary Griffith. She is in Badger. And, well, Jeff York. So, Jeff, I apologize because I know that you're the uncle of our great graphic artist, Will York. No, I hope you're very proud of him because he does marvelous stuff. And Jeff, a very happy birthday to you as he celebrates number 60 in law.
Let's see, we've got Mr. Carol Saporito turning 75 years old in Weir. Mary Vincent is 89 in Stark. And Liberty Moore turning 19 in Galena.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all as we head into a Thanksgiving weekend. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.